procedure is I would take my Moisten Go spray, I would spray the hair. And most people are afraid to braid hair while it's wet, but I like to braid it while I have some type of moisturizer in it. Remember, when you're doing this, your pieces aren't big at all. They're extremely tiny. Super tiny. We gotta start taking care of our hair in a healthy way, not just the way it looks. Like, yeah, the style is cute, but if it's not for you, you probably shouldn't be getting it. As stylists, we gotta start educating our clients as to